Hello everyone. Uh, this is the second lecture on lines of regression. Okay. In the first lecture of lines of regression, we had studied that if two lines are given to you, okay, and you need to identify byx and bxy, or which line is y on x and which line is x on y. Then we use that procedure of m1 m2 slopes method. Okay. So in today's class, we are going to take other set of problems in which the line will be given to you as specifically, okay, so this particular line is x on y or the other line is y on x. So the in the question itself, the line will be mentioned, okay, which line is y on x and which line is x on y. So in that case, what we need to do, we have to carefully understand it and take it ahead. Okay. So we'll write a note before we start with our lecture with the actual problems. We'll write a note. If line ax plus by is equal to c is line y on x, then byx is equal to slope, that is minus a by b. Byx is equal to minus a by b. Okay, where a is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y. Fine. If line ax plus by is equal to c is line x on y, therefore bxy is equal to minus b by a. Just reverse it. Take the reciprocal of minus a by b, you'll get minus b by a. Okay. So these two notes are very important for us. I'll show you the first note. This is note number one. Fine. And this is note number two. Right. Okay. So you can refer your government textbook, exercise 3.3, which is on page number 80. Exercise 3.3, page number 50. Question number 9. Question number 9. Okay. So there are two lines given to you. The first line given to you is 2x is equal to y plus 15. So I'll just write this line very precisely. 2x minus y is equal to 15, right? And the second line given to you is 4y is equal to 3x plus 25. So minus 3x plus 4y is equal to 25. Get in that particular format of ax plus by is equal to c. Okay, first x, then y, and then c. Right. Now, first part of the problem, I think I should not solve it because they're asking you x bar and y bar. So if they're asking you x bar and y bar, you can just calculate or solve both the equations simultaneously and get the value of x and y. That itself is x bar and y bar. Now they are very clear that the first line, this is line x on y. This is line x on y. So bxy is equal to minus b by a. So minus bracket upon bracket. Okay. So b is the coefficient of y, that is minus 1, and a is the coefficient of x, that is 2. So this is 1 upon 2, right? And byx is equal to minus a by b. So minus bracket upon bracket, minus bracket upon bracket. So a is minus 3. So this becomes minus 3 over here. b b is 4 is equal to 3 by 4. bxy byx, both we have got. Bxy is half and byx is 3 by 4. Right. So we got the values of bxy and byx. So the method becomes very short when they are mentioning which line is x on y and which line is y on x. The method becomes very short. Okay. Now we can also calculate r. R is equal to root of byx into bxy. You can also write root of bxy into byx. Okay. So byx is 3 by 4, which we calculated just now. I'll show you the values if you want. Okay. Byx is equal to 3 by 4 and bxy is equal to half. So this is equal to half, and this is root of 3 by 8. Now 3 by 8 will have to divide, and if you divide manually 3 by 8, you will get 0.375, and the root of 0.375 is 0.61, and this value is given to us. 0.61 value is given to us, but then the presentation of the final answer should be very clear. R is equal to plus 0.61, and you should write besides. Okay, what you'll write over here, you'll write R is positive since byx and bxy are positive. R is positive since byx and bxy are positive. Okay, so this was the question wherein the lines of regression will be given to you, and you need to calculate certain things. Okay, now we'll take a problem which has appeared in the board exam quite frequently. That is from exercise 3.3, question number 3, page number 50. Exercise 3.3, question number 3, page number 50. Okay, we'll write down the given data. Okay, for 50 students of a class, so n is equal to 50. N is equal to 50. The regression equation of marks in statistics. Now see, marks in statistics, okay, is given as x. Marks in accountancy is given as y. So which line they have given? If you are getting confused, then you may reread the statement over there. The regression equation of marks in statistics, on, see, on word is there, marks in accountancy is given to you. So line x on y is given to you. They have given you line x on y. Okay, marks in statistics on marks in accountancy. Okay, so 3y minus 5x plus 180 equal to 0. Okay, minus 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 180. Okay, this line I have written in this format now. Okay, ax plus by is equal to c. That format is really very important. Okay, so this data is given to us. Fine. Now mean marks in accountancy. Okay, prior to that, we'll do one thing. I'll just rewrite the line over here. Line x on y is minus 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 180. Right? So bxy. Bxy, I've given you the note. See, if a line is x on y, bxy is minus by. So this is minus bracket upon bracket minus b. B is the coefficient of y. So 3 will come on the top by a minus 5. 3 by 5. Bxy is equal to 3 by 5. Right? Okay. So we have decoded one information from this. Line x on y was given to us. We got bxy. Fine. We'll proceed with the given statements over there in the question. The mean marks in accountancy is 44. Now accountancy is y. Accountancy is y. Okay. Accountancy is y. So the mean marks in accountancy, that is y bar is equal to 44. This is given to us. Okay. And one more piece of information is given. Variance of marks in statistics. Variance is x. Statistics is x. So variance of marks in statistics is v of x is equal to 9 by 16 times variance of marks in accountancy. So since variance is variance of marks in statistics, so statistics is x. So I've written variance of x is equal to 9 by 16 variance of marks in accountancy. Accountancy is y. Therefore, Vx upon Vy is equal to 9 by 16. I've written therefore Vx upon Vy is equal to 9 by 16. Right? This was also given to us. right? I'll just write it on the next page. This information was given to us, so we'll try to do something with this information. So v of x upon v of I is equal to 9 by 16. Okay, taking square roots on both the sides. V of x, v of y is equal to root of 9 upon root of 16. Now root of variance of x, root of variance of x is standard deviation of x. Okay, and root of variance of y, standard root, right? Standard deviation of y, standard deviation of y is equal to 3 by 4. So one more information we have decoded: standard deviation of x upon standard deviation of y, right? Now what they are asking us to calculate is, first they're asking us to calculate the mean marks in statistics. Now statistics is x, so the mean of statistics is x bar. X bar they are asking us to calculate. Okay, now the process is very simple. Put y bar, which is y is equal to 44. Okay, y bar is 44, right? They have given us y bar is 44. Okay, so y bar is equal to y equal to 44. We'll put in this line. We'll put in this line. Okay, put y bar is equal to y is equal to 44 in minus 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 180. So minus 5x, 3 into 44 minus 180, minus 5x plus 132 is equal to minus 180, minus 5x is equal to minus 180 minus 132, minus 5x is equal to minus 312. Okay, so now we'll have to divide 312 divided by 5. Okay, so that is 62.4. Okay, so after dividing this minus 5 with minus 312, so x is equal to minus 312 upon minus 5, which is equal to 62.4. So x bar is equal to 62.4. So we got first part of the problem. Okay, x bar is equal to 62.4, right? Also they are asking correlation coefficient, that is r. Okay, they are asking correlation coefficient, that is r. Now while calculating correlation coefficient, that is r, we require both the regression coefficients. We require both the regression coefficients byx as well as bxy. But then unfortunately we are having only one regression coefficient, that is bxy. We are having only one regression coefficient, that is bxy. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll make use of bxy. Now we don't know byx, so we'll have to make use of bxy. Write the formula in terms of r. Bxy is equal to r sigma x upon sigma y. Okay, r sigma x upon sigma y. Now bxy, as you can see, we have already calculated as 3 by 5, so we'll write 3 by 5 over here. R we don't know, and sigma x upon sigma y. Sigma x upon sigma y, see, look over here, sigma x upon sigma y is equal to 3 by 4, is equal to 3 by 4. 3 will get cancelled on both the sides. 4 will get cross multiplied, which is equal to r. Okay, r is equal to 4 by 5, which is equal to 0.8. Okay, but then you write plus 0.8, and what you will mention? You'll mention r is positive since bxy is also positive. R is positive since bxy is also positive. Okay, final answer you write r is equal to plus 0.8, plus 0.8, and you'll write r is positive since bxy is equal to 0.2. Fine. So what you need to do is you revise this problem again and again, because it's a very important board question. Fine, and just wait for a while. We'll continue with one more problem of the similar category. Okay, the problem is on page number 54 of your government textbook. Okay, and it is from miscellaneous exercise 3, question number 4, sub question 4. Question number 4, sub question 4. They have given us the line y on x. line y on x is equal to is what? Y equal to 2 by 9x. So 9y is equal to 2x. So 2x is equal to 9y. Therefore 2x minus 9y equal to 0. Okay. Byx is equal to minus a by b. So byx is equal to a is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y. This is minus 9. So byx is equal to 2 by 9. Byx is equal to 2 by 9, right? Then one more line is given to us, line x on y. When the lines are given to us, the equation of the lines are given to us, and when they specify y on x and x on y, it becomes a bit easy for us. X is equal to y by 2 plus 7 by 6. So we'll take LCM, y into 3, 2 into 3. We are making a common denominator over here. So x is equal to 3y upon 6 plus 7 upon 6. So x is equal to 3y plus 7 upon 6. 6x is equal to 3y plus 7. Therefore 6x minus 3y is equal to 7. Slope minus bracket upon bracket. And this time, not slope, sorry, we'll write bxy because the line is x on y. So let bxy is equal to minus b by a. Now this time it is minus b by a. B is the coefficient of y, that is minus 3, and x 3 by 6. Bxy is equal to half. Bxy is equal to half. Okay. So we got the values of byx and bxy. Now we'll calculate r. First they are asking r. R is the correlation coefficient, that is root of byx into bxy, right? Byx into bxy. Byx is equal to 2 by 9 and bxy is equal to half. 1 by 9. R is equal to 1 by 3. You can also write 0.33, but then we'll keep it 1 by 3. It's okay. Now final answer will put r as positive. Can you tell me why r is positive? R is positive because bxy and byx both are positive. Okay, byx and bxy both are positive, so r is also positive. So that you write over here, bxy, byx both are positive, therefore r is positive, right? Now second part of the problem, they are asking standard deviation of y square. Okay, and standard deviation of x square is equal to 4. So this gives me standard deviation of x is equal to 2, taking square roots, right? Now take any one, byx or bxy. I have taken byx, sigma y upon sigma x. Okay, I have written byx in terms of r. So what is byx? Byx we have calculated, and that is 2 by 9. Earlier we have calculated byx, that is 2 by 9. See, okay, so 2 by 9 is equal to 1 by 3. R is 1 by 3, which we just calculated. See, r is 1 by 3. Okay, and standard deviation of y we don't know, and standard deviation of x is 2. Okay, so therefore 2 by 9 into 3 into 2 is equal to standard deviation of y. I cross multiplied this over here. Okay, so 2 into 2 will become 4, and 3 ones are 3 threes are. Standard deviation of y is equal to 4 by 3. Standard deviation of y is equal to 4 by 3. And they're asking standard deviation of y square. So standard deviation of y square will be 16 by 9, squaring both the sides. Okay. Yes. So the lines of regression lecture number 2 is over here. Fine. Thank you.